Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Recently, I bought the ROW Margaux 10 bag in smooth leather and the color cognac or tan, and I made the full review about this bag. Although the bag is gorgeous, unfortunately this purchase wasn't a success, and along with the review I revealed the reason why it wasn't a success. If you haven't seen this video, I'm going to leave the link below for you to check this out. Some of you commented that you love the bag but you can't justify the price. I totally agree with you. The price tag is not generous at all. That got me thinking. It should be some cheaper alternatives for the beautiful ROW Margaux bag now on the market between the luxury, contemporary and the mass market brands. And today I'm ready to reveal my finds between the luxury, contemporary and mass market brands, which inspired by the ROW Margaux bag, or similar in some way, in my opinion, to the ROW Margaux bag in their aesthetics, design, style or functionality. This video is not about dupes. It's not about how to find the ROW Margaux bag cheaper. It's a video about the cheaper alternatives. I divided this video into 3 sections: luxury brands, contemporary brands and the mass market brands. And unfortunately at this stage I can only find one bag between the mass market brands which is similar or inspired by the ROW Margaux bag. But I genuinely believe, because this bag is so extremely popular, the other mass market brands such as Zara and H&M will come out with their inspirations for the ROW Margaux bag. So probably that will be cheaper alternatives, Margaux bags part 2 very soon in a few months. And today, as always, I'm going to leave all the links below for all the bags that I'm going to mention in the description box for you to easily check out all the bags and shop them easily. I've decided to start my cheaper alternatives finds to the ROW Margaux bag with luxury brands. And in no particular order, as number 1, we have SAINT LAURENT Giant Bowling Bag. It reminds me by its functionality, design and the size, the ROW Margaux in size 17. It's a fantastic traveling bag with an 18.5 inches width at the bottom. It has a removable and adjustable strap, a taupe handle. It's a perfect example of the stealth wealth and the quiet luxury as you wish. It only has a teeny weeny gold embossing on the actual bag, SAINT LAURENT, and the SAINT LAURENT tag as well. And I think it's a kind of like underdog in the SAINT LAURENT bag collection family, as you wish, because it comes from the men's collection. But in my opinion, it's such a unisex bag and anyone can wear this bag. The bag comes in 3 different leathers. It's a croc embossed leather, suede, and suede comes in amazing, beautiful, like dark brown, desert brown color, and also a pebbled grained leather. Depending on the leather, the price varies from £1,500 to the £1,900 just now in the UK. But again, I say that all the times, please keep it in mind that the luxury brands increasing their prices now pretty much every 6 months, and taking into consideration the popularity of the ROW Margaux bag, I would expect that the giant bowling bag from SAINT LAURENT will increase in price as well. As a number 2, here we have the next underdog quiet luxury brand from New York, and it's a KHAITE. And here we have a bag which called METIER. It comes in the 3 different sizes, small, and here we are talking about the width of the bottom of 7.5 inches. The ROW actually used to have Margaux bag in this particular size, but they discontinued it by now and it's extremely rare now on the pre-loved market. Then the medium size, copying the size of Margaux 12 with a 12 inches bottom, and then the large METIER from KHAITE copies the Margaux 17 with a 17.5 inches bottom. This amazing, beautiful bag comes in different colors and the leathers, such as a suede. My favorite is a suede midnight, and it's like a really deep blue. It's not as dark as navy, but it's not as bright as a cobalt blue. It's literally a midnight blue, and I love the name of this color as well. And we also have a beautiful variations in the pebbled leather, and all of that is a nice quality calfskin leather as well. Only small wave bag from KHAITE comes with a removable and adjustable strap. The rest of them, the medium size and the large size, does not have any strap at all apart from the twinning top handles. And again, price here also varies depending on the size, starting from the £1,800 in the UK for the small size up till the £3,500 for the larger size in the different leather. So please check them out. It's absolutely incredible, gorgeous bag, which also had prime example, like all the bags that I'm going to mention today, they are the prime example of the quiet luxury and stealth wealth. And the last but not least, in the luxury brands category for the cheaper alternatives for the ROW Margaux bag, we have METIER Incognito bag. This bag comes in 3 different sizes: crossbody, small and the large. Crossbody size has a removable and adjustable strap. The small size and the large size don't have any straps apart from the top handles. I absolutely love that all sizes have the external pockets. Yes, they do internal pockets as well, but the external pockets with the magnetic closures allows you to organize the space for your belongings in a perfect manner. And they also show you on the website how to use those external pockets and how much you can fit inside and outside the bag. The perfect what fits test on the METIER website. Absolutely love this idea. The bag comes in the different leathers, and I love their suede chocolate and the suede Marrakesh leather. The Marrakesh color reminds me of desert color, desert suede leather from Margaux bag, and the chocolate reminds me very much the mocha color from Margaux bag too. But it's a fraction of the price compared to the ROW Margaux bag as well. And the quality of these bags is amazing. Guys, please check them out on the website. And here we are moving to the contemporary brands, and with the contemporary brands we will start with the Italian brand FURLA and their Genesi bag. If Birkin, Hermes Birkin and the ROW Margaux bag had a baby, I genuinely believe their baby looked like FURLA Genesi bag. FURLA Genesi bag comes in 3 different sizes and a variety of different colors. I love the idea that every size comes with an adjustable and removable strap, which allows you to wear the bag crossbody and on your shoulder as well, and top handles, of course. And the fact that each bag is made with 2 types of leather. The main body is a smooth leather, and also the sides bits, as you can see on the picture, are made of the grain leather. And we all know that those side bits, they're always impacted more by wear and tear, and that's why to make them of the grain leather, which is famous for its durability, I think it was a really wise move for FURLA. It's probably one of the most refined and structured designs that we are going to cover today, but I also want you to introduce to this bag because it does remind me the ROW Margaux bag in different sizes as well. And as I said, it's like when I saw that, it's a perfect combination of the Hermes Birkin and the ROW Margaux bag, and plus taking in consideration that everyone is talking now that the ROW Margaux bag is a new Birkin. Yeah, if they had a baby, that's what it looked like. If we continue to talk about the contemporary brands for the cheap alternatives to the the ROW Margaux bag. The next one I really want to present you, and this one is probably my favorite find, is American brand called Brochu Walker. Before I actually start researching for this video, I never heard about this brand, but it's a really interesting, kind of like a recent brand created by the ex-designer working for the Max Azaria. I've really liked her designs and this quiet luxury. It's much more affordable a price tag than our famous KHAITE and the ROW. And here we have the everyday tote. It comes in only one leather, and it's a coffee suede leather at the moment, and only in one size. It doesn't have removable or adjustable strap, but I love how slouchy and relaxed and beautiful this bag is. And between the all finds, to be honest with you, it reminds me of the Margaux bag the most. It has this current and contemporary vibe and look as well. It also says on their website that the shoulder straps is padded, and I already can imagine how comfortable this bag sitting on your shoulder. If anyone's seen this bag in real life, please share in the comments below if it's good as it looks like on the website. Unfortunately, they don't have any website in the UK. They probably do international shipping. So I'm actually contemplating now, am I prepared to pay taxes and ship the bag from the USA to the UK, or I will wait. So if someone has any experience with this brand or with this bag, please share that in the comments below. And we are moving to our next contestant, and that's a British brand, DEMELLIER London, and their bag, New York, inspired by the KHAITE and the ROW brands. This beautiful bag comes in two different sizes, the medium, midi New York, and the large, just New York. The medium size has almost 9 inches bottom, but it has like a basket or trapezian shape going wider from the bottom to the top, and the larger size, just a regular New York, has a size of the 14 inches, again coming up all the way up. The medium size comes with adjustable and removable strap, and the large size does not come with any straps at all, just the top handles. As it says on their website, the medium size cannot fit a laptop of 13 inches. The bag comes in a variety of different leathers. It's a grain leather in a different earthy, beautiful, natural colors, and also a suede leather. And here they also have those desert, mocha, coffee colors you choose. DEMELLIER is really famous for their variety and range of different leathers and colors, and you know their pricing is amazing and their quality is really good as well. The last one in the contemporary brand section, we have YUZEFI Mochi Bag. This bag also comes in 3 different sizes, small, medium and a large. The small size comes with a adjustable but not removable strap, and the strap is quite wide, which allows you just to comfortably wear that crossbody or on your shoulder. The top, like a top handle straps, they are quite short as well, but really good to wear that on the crook of your arm. And then we also have a medium and a large size. I love the idea that again this bag comes in a completely different variety of different colors, and my favorite here is blue. The blue suede, guys, is gorgeous. It's a very deep, bright, cobalt or electric blue, and if it just stole my heart, I'm going to be honest with you. Beautiful bag and a great price point here as well. And again, YUZEFI is really famous for their quality, for the good price tag. At the end, I want to share with you my only find between mass market brands for the cheaper alternatives for the ROW Margaux bag. I hope it's just at the moment, and I hope it's going to be a part 2 video and I can add more mass market brands for the cheaper alternatives for this beautiful the ROW bag. Beautiful but very expensive, let's be fair. And my last find is Free People Leslie Leather Tote. It comes in the different colors, but my favorite color is cognac. It reminds me the ROW Margaux bag the most. The only thing that I don't like about this bag is this material cotton strap, but it can be easily removed. And I love the idea that apart from the middle top handle, the bag has only side top handles as well, so you can wear the bag at different ways. It has a very slouchy design, very relaxed shape and form, and that's what I like this bag for, and this is why I can relate it to the ROW Margaux bag. Although the price difference between, guys, wow. If you think there are other cheaper alternatives for the ROW Margaux bag, which I didn't mention in this video, please leave the comment below. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know where to find thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.